Grab up some ingredients, chicken thighs, a baking tray into the oven, and you have yourself some sweet and spicy chicken. A midweek meal that's delicious, easy, and simply out of this world. So let me show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs that I've cut into some manageable chunks. Followed by 3 tablespoons of honey, and this is some honey some guy gave me from his honey farm, and it's kind of yummy and cool, so get a good honey if you can. A couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. Now I'm using dark soy sauce here, but you can use the soy sauce of your choice. Now for your heat, 2 or 3 tablespoons of sriracha, depending on how hot you want it. I just kind of like saying that word, sriracha. Kind of makes you want to dance, doesn't it? 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for some more sweetness along with that honey. A good teaspoon of thyme, depending on how timely you want to be. Sometimes I crack myself up. Another teaspoon of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, just to thicken things up. Of course, you simply have to have ground black pepper, so about a teaspoon of that. Another teaspoon of the old saltation, just to bring out those flavors. Now and only now, I'm going to grab up my grater and grate up 4 cloves of garlic. Now I know, guys, this seems like a lot of ingredients, but most of them you'll have kicking around your pantry or your fridge, and it is well worth it. So we'll just go ahead and get that garlic a little tappity off here. Last but not least, we're going to get a thumb-sized ginger and grate this in as well. Okay, get the old tongs and kind of sloosh and slosh everything around until it is nicely combined and that chicken is wonderfully coated. Then what you want to do is line a baking pan with some parchment paper and strategically, or not so strategically, add that chicken on, but get some separation in between each piece of chicken. You know, use those tongs and just kind of spread everything out a little bit so everybody's happy. Now we are just going to slip this into a 425 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 25 or 30 minutes. After 25 or 30 minutes, we are done it, and this looks and smells absolutely incredible. Just look at this, guys. I mean, you could actually call this your midweek mind bender. Wow. So we shall just plate this up and get ready for that stampeding crowd that's going to be coming in. And I mean, in my humble opinion, this looks gorgeous. And to add those finito touches, we have to garnish this up with some chopped green onions. And there it be, my friends, our midweek sweet and spicy chicken. And you pick this up, and without the word of a lie, it is absolutely delightful. That heat hits your tongue, followed by that sweetness, the tenderness of the chicken. It is simply a must make. And as I always say, if you're hungry for more, like and subscribe.